In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Crunchyroll stuck on loading screen. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next up, launch your Crunchyroll app. First, close the app and relaunch it. Next, check if you're using the latest version of the Crunchyroll app. For that, head over to App Store, search for the app Crunchyroll. Once app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it. Next, clear cache and cookies for Crunchyroll. For that, close this, launch your Settings app. Navigate to the option General, click on iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, find Crunchyroll and launch it. Click on Offload app and confirm it, then click on Reinstall app. Next up, you can head back. If you're using VPN, you'll need to disable it. This can sometimes prevent Crunchyroll from loading properly. Lastly, if the solution didn't work out for you, you'll need to check the server status of Crunchyroll. So launch your preferred browser, type in Crunchyroll server status and search for it. Now head over to its official website. If you found out any outages, you'll need to wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. So that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.